Hey, good morning. I'm going to change the power steering fluid out of here, and because it's getting old, so I want to make sure it's semi-clean. And looking at the cap, it says it's Dextron 3 or a Dextron, so, and you can tell that it's no longer, if it's Dextron, it's not red anymore. So I'm going to use this crazy setup that I've built. Look at it. All it is a Italian pasta, jar that I put two fittings on, drilled holes, and then attached it to this vacuum pump, and the other end is just some more fuel line with some hard brake line with a small hole. And so let's see how well this works. Okay, go. And if you look, it's nice and dark that's coming out. Okay, it's sucking it right out. And then we'll put it back in. I'll get all the little, and this wand, because it's small, I can get into a lot of little places. Originally built it for my 7.3 injector oil reservoir, which works great for that too. And that's it. Alright, I'll fill it with some Dextron and drive it for a while, and then do it all over again. But you get the idea. Just make sure it's at the full line. Oh, nice and bright red. And that's it. And we'll drive it. And then I'll change it again later on. Okay? So that's it. Basically, that's all you have to do. It's easier than unplugging one of these return lines and then cycling it through. So, I mean, it's slower, but it works. Give it a shot. Thank you.